Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Architect Manik G2. Um, I'm not sure how many of you guys want to learn Revit, but if you want to learn it, this is the correct video for you. So please stick with it. Also, subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos. This is not going to be one video, but I'll be posting um, many more videos in the coming days so that we can just go over everything in Revit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a 2D plan and then we will try to convert it into a 3D model in this video. So let's start. So let's just import the 2D plan. I already have a 2D plan. So let's just go to Insert, Import CAD. So I have this plan here. We'll keep the default settings here and then click Open. It will take some time to load. If you want, I can also share this 2D plan with you if you want to do practice on your Revit. And just so you guys know, we are using Revit 2023. You can use any of the Revit, that's fine, it's gonna work. So you see here we have our 2D plan. So when you insert a CAD plan, it's automatically pinned here. So in order to move it or rotate it, we need to unpin it. So we need to click it first here, and then here we have the options to pin and unpin. So we can just unpin it from here. So now we can click over it, we can move it, we can do whatever we want with it. So let's just rotate this. Okay. So we will try to convert this 2D plan into a 3D model. In the process, you will learn a lot of basic Revit things, which will be very useful for you guys. So keep following the video, okay? Okay, so first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna set the project units. So if you guys see, if I go to annotate, aligned, let's see if the if the scale of the model is fine. So that's a 9 inches wall, which is correct. So the model is on our good scale. So I'll just delete that dimension. Um, Before the start of the projects, you have to check like what units you're using. So if you go to manage, and then there is an option of project units, so you can set it up as per your project needs. So the first one I'm gonna check is length, that is in the fractional feet and fractional inches, which is okay. I don't want anything else. Let's just change the area to square feet. Okay, length, distance. Okay, that's it for now. We'll do okay, and then I think we are all set. So first we will start creating levels for this one. So if you see, um, we have level 0 and level 1 and site level. So architecture. So we're gonna go ahead and cut a section, maybe here. So this, when you cut a section, this gonna create a view which should be in the sections. So if you see, this is our section view. You can also double click on this one, or you can right click and then go to view. This is the view that we have. This is the CAD link. Okay, there are the two levels here. So this is level 0 and our Um, our CAD link is sitting on level 0. This is level 1, which is your level for first floor. So if you were to annotate, align, so if you measure this, that's 13 feet. I want to be 11 feet here, and I will pin this so that it doesn't move, and again we'll pin this one as well. So we want to create another level here for our second floor. So we'll go to architecture, we'll go to level, and we'll create another level here. And again we will take dimensions, go to annotate, aligned, which is 9 feet. Again we're gonna click on this, we'll do 11 feet. So again we're gonna pin this. So we have our basic levels, we're gonna extend this. What happened? Whoops. We're gonna unlock this, unlock this, unlock this. Oh, maybe because it's pinned. Yeah. Okay. So just unpin it for a sec and then extend it so it covers your plan view. Here you go. So now we have the levels here. Again, we have the dimensions here. We'll pull the dimensions a little bit this side. Okay, so you see when we created the level, it created the floor plan as well. Okay, so if we go to level 0 again, so we have our plan view here. Okay, so now almost everything is set up. So if you see these things, these are the elevations. So we can also move this out of the plan. Okay. And then this one as well. Okay, so let's just start drawing this. So first thing we're gonna go is we're gonna go to architecture and then wall. So these are the walls that are available in Revit. So for now we're gonna use a generic wall. Basic wall. Maybe this one. So let's just draw it here once. Okay, so this is your wall. So we're gonna go into its settings. So we will create a wall for our project. So what we're gonna do is, so these are all the walls that we are seeing here. So we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate this wall, and then we're gonna name our new wall as 9 inches exterior wall. Okay, so for this wall, we're gonna edit the structure. So you see we have this structure here. So the thickness is, right now it's 8 inches something. We're gonna change it to 9 inches. Okay, apply. Okay, so if we take a dimension now for the wall, I'm gonna show you how I did that, but so this is now 9 inches. Okay, so just create a wall like this and then we can start modeling. So if you now see, basic wall, 9-inch exterior wall. So if I when I delete this, so now we have that wall um, in our wall section. So here you go, 9-inch exterior wall. So now we will start modeling our wall. Just follow the plan. Just draw the outer wall for now. And extend this wall up to here. It's gonna join automatically. So this is just a 2D wall right here, right? So if you want to see a 3D, you can just click on this home default 3D view button. There's a small home on this button. So if you just click this, so you're gonna see our walls started came up, right? So if you don't want to see all this our CAD plan in the 3D view, so what you can do is simply click on this and then hide in view and elements. So right now you're just seeing only the walls here, right? Here you go. I'm gonna show you how you can control all the view properties without hiding it. You can also um, take off the CAD file in the view properties. So if you come here, you have all the options which you want to turn off and turn on. So here is our CAD file. You can turn it on and off. So I'll show you later, but this is just a basic video. We'll just get along and we'll just get along and we'll find out the new options, how to do things and all that stuff, right? So again, I'm going to go to level 1 here, so I can see my wall over here. Also, another thing that I want to do is I'm going to go to 3D. So if you see here, our walls are going, so height of the walls is more than level 2, but these walls should be up to level 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of the walls, and then if you see into the properties, so it says base constraint is level 0. So the base constraint is the level from where the wall starts, and then top constraint is right now unconnected. So now we're gonna change it to level 1. So we're gonna change it to level 1. So see, automatically all the walls will come to level 1 here. Again, we're gonna go level 1 here. I'm gonna continue drawing. Okay, so right now we're not seeing the wall. That's because our view range, so if you type VR, it will take us to the view range of the plan. So bottom, so the top we're gonna get level 1, so it will go to level 2. Cut plane should be maybe 5 feet from 11.1, which is the eye level, and then bottom is also 1 level. So if we go apply, oops, okay, let's see what's going on over here. Oops, okay, so sorry, we are in level 1, so we need to go to level 0 to see our wall. So you need to take care that you're in the correct level, otherwise you're gonna get confused as I got now. So just take care of that. Again, so you want to extend this wall up to here. It's gonna connect automatically. um, you're gonna go to wall again, and then try to overlay all the walls with the plan wall. Okay, so you see now this wall is not properly aligning. So what you can do is you can select this wall, you can move it with your arrow keys wherever you want, and also you can use the align command. So if you go here, select the wall and then choose align. Let's see if we can find the center. Just a second. So choose the wall, align. So actually we can't pick the center right now. We can draw a reference plane. Here, and then select the wall, align. Again, we're gonna click here first and then the wall, and it's not aligned again. Okay, let's delete. Let's move this again. That's because it's not the center. Hmm. I'll just eyeball it for now. The snap and all that settings I'll show you later. Okay. Or again, there's another option. So if you see, um, so we can also take the dimension here. So you can see I can't select the internal portion of the wall, so you need to tab. So we can select this here, and then again tab, so we can select this. So right now it's 12 feet, which should be 12 feet, so this is okay. We need to extend this wall up to here. What else we have? Okay, let's check what's the dimension of this wall. So this is a 4.5 inches wall, so we need to create a 4.5 inches wall as we created the 9 inches wall. So what we're gonna do is go to edit, select the wall, go to edit type, duplicate, and then rename it as, or actually give the name to the new wall, 4.5 inches. Interior wall, do okay. So now we have this wall here. So if you go to architecture, wall, select 4.5 inches. So if you see, okay, so again edit type, we're gonna go to edit the structure, we're gonna change this to 4.5 inches. Okay. No, okay, just a second. We're gonna go to wall, basic wall, 4.5 inches. We'll draw it here first. Okay, and then go to edit type, edit structure. It should be 4.5 inches. Okay. So see, this wall is changed into 4.5 as well. You're gonna go here and then change it to 9 inches. So we're gonna extend this wall up to here, and then go to can wall, draw up to here, drop to here, and then extend this one up to here. Okay, so the toilet is 8 feet by 6. So if we go to annotate, aligned, tab, this is 6, tab, this is 8 1.2. So I'm gonna click this wall, change this to 8 feet, and then it's gonna overlap again nicely. So almost all the walls are done. So if you go into your 3D view, we have all the walls. So again, we have to change the constraints of all these walls. So if you go into the front view in the 3D view, if you select all these walls, base constraint is level 0, top constraint is level 1. So you see all the walls now are there in our model. Right? Okay. So walls are in. Let's see what we can do with the windows. So right now we are not able to see the CAD plan below. So what we're gonna do is we have a couple of options here. So we can do it realistic view, consistent color, shaded. Right now it's on hidden line. It means that you won't be seeing the lines which are underlaid. So we can go to wireframe, and that way we can see all the windows that are below the walls. So okay, let's just drop in for the video sake, we're gonna just drop in some windows and doors, but in the next videos we're gonna make proper families. If we come here, so we have a proper joinery detail for all the windows. So we're gonna create families for doors and windows, which are we're gonna properly use um, in this project. But for now, for your practice, what we're gonna do is we're gonna place the windows that we have in Revit. So suppose, so these are the windows that we have in Revit right now. Okay, let's place these windows here. So I know this is a corner window here, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna place this here. I'm gonna place this here. I'm going to place this here, here. And if you go into the 3D, you'll see the windows are almost placed. You can also change the level of the windows. So suppose this window, its sill level is 2 feet 3 inches. So if you want to change it to 2 feet, so now the window will move down. Yeah, so you can adjust all those parameters here. So yeah, let's go to the plan view again. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Just let me know if you have any questions until now. In the next upcoming videos, we're gonna create Revit families for all these windows and doors, to which properly matches with our door and window details, so that we can place proper windows and families in our windows and door families in our plan or in our 3D model. So stay tuned, guys. Let me know how did you find this video. If you want to learn something else, or if you have any suggestions, any questions, you can comment down below. And do subscribe the channel for the upcoming videos, because we're gonna complete this project. And as I go and you follow, you're gonna learn so much about Revit. So yeah, take care, guys.